Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to show you more things I've got through Free Gift Friday. Now Free Gift Friday is one of my favorite parts about New Beauty's Beauty Pass program, which is an invite-only program. And through Free Gift Friday, you get text messages to opt in for new products by only paying shipping, and they usually come out every other Friday, although you do have some bonus Fridays. So go ahead and pour yourself your favorite beverage and let me show you what I have. Cheers! Of course I'm drinking rosé because it is Free Gift Friday. And here, let's see what I have. All of your packages, or most of them, come in this pretty pink paper, so when you see this in the mail, you know it's Free Gift Fridays. So first off, I have a retinol product from Fig One. This is great. This is a retinol night cream. It is a hydrating retinol, and it is a beginner-friendly retinol because it has time-release technology. And one of the best parts about this is you can take this out, and when you're done with it, you actually can refill this. And you keep the tube and you just buy this. And the Fig One will say that after you're out of this bottle, you can level up to their level 2. So they have different levels depending on how your skin is doing. But this is great. And this one was $42. Next, I have PCA Skin Hyaluronic Acid Serum. It's a hyaluronic acid boosting serum. You can use it morning and evening, and it's going to help keep so hyaluronic acid is a humectant, holds 1,000 times its weight in water. This has hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, which is actually going to help your skin produce its own hyaluronic acid, and it also has ceramides to help make sure that the moisture you have in your skin stays inside, so it creates a barrier. And you can see this is full-size product, and let's see, super lightweight, no smell really. It's really nice. PCA is great. I actually used to love their clear skin, and I'm really excited to try their hyaluronic acid serum, and this was $125. Now I have from the NewCo, this is the pill. This is a topical skin supplement. You can use it morning and evening. It has AHAs, it also has hyaluronic acid and tiger grass extract, so it's going to help with elasticity, it's going to help with firmness, it's going to help with hydration, it's going to help boost collagen, it helps a lot of different things, and I like using this actually. Let me see. I like using this usually in the morning after washing my face, and once again, really not much of a smell, so that's nice, and it blends really nice into the skin, and it gives you just a really nice barrier, and I love the way my skin feels after using that. Also have, oh, and this one was, sorry, this one was $85. I also have Jory. This is a daily leave-on acne treatment mask. This has micronized benzoyl peroxide. This is for the treatment of acne, so you can either use this as a spot treatment, or you can apply it all over your face if you're breaking out everywhere. The great thing about this one, it's a leave-on, so you can apply it at night and go to bed, or you can do a thin layer, let it dry, and it does dry clear, and you can put your makeup on over top. So it's really can be used for multi-functions, and you can see here, nice clear, let's see if you can see that, there we go. And what I like is it doesn't have a medical smell or medicine smell, because a lot of them do. It's a little bit of a smell, but not too bad. And the last one that I'm going to showcase for this Free Gift Friday is a really exciting one. This is the Luxie Dreamcatcher collection. Now this was a little bit different than some of the other products because it's a little bit bigger. The shipping was actually, I believe, $33. So this one cost a little bit more, but you can see you get a full size brush set. It actually came in some containers, all kinds of brushes. So 15 synthetic brushes ranging from eyes to face, and nice travel container just to keep your brushes safe. And this one was $175. So still very much worth it. Another great thing about all of these items is anytime you get a product, it comes with a little card with a QR code, and it will tell you more about the product you get and how you can use it. So all in, this was about a little under $480 worth of value. I paid around $85 in shipping fees for all of this. So once again, this was a great deal for a lot of products that you can use on your face, and they all have different uses. So these are all the products I got this time. And I mean, for, you know, just under $500 in value, I think this is worth it. So another great Free Gift Friday. And so I hope you enjoyed watching this. I would love to hear anyone who participates in Free Gift Friday, what you think of the program. I'm going to put the link to all of the products as well as their price points and the link to apply for Free Gift Friday, since it's an invite only program. And I would love to hear more from you. So please comment, like, and subscribe, and don't forget to watch my latest video. Thank you so much. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.